This video shows the end-to-end workflow of our NutriBuddy application, an AI-powered nutrition assistant designed for the real-world use. I recommend you to watch the video at 3x zoom for better clarity. Here the user is on the home screen after authentication. From this screen, the user can analyze food either by uploading the image or by entering text. At this time, the user selects a food image from the device gallery. This image acts as a multimodal input for the AI analysis pipeline, and it's further indicated at the progress section so that the user is aware about the nutrients he has consumed. Behind the scenes, NutriBuddy dynamically decides how to process this request. If an AMD GPU is available, the analysis can run locally using AMD optimized inference. Otherwise, the app seamlessly falls back to cloud-based AI without interrupting the user experience. Once the processing is completed, the app displays nutritional insights such as calorie estimation, macronutrients, and health indicators based on the detected food items. This removes the need for manual food logging. Here, instead of analyzing a single food image, NutriBuddy uses multiple frame analysis to capture different stages of a recipe, such as ingredients, cooking, and the final serving. Each frame is analyzed independently and the insights are fused to generate a more accurate nutritional profile. This approach reduces hidden calorie errors like oil added during cooking and is efficiently processed using AMD-accelerated inference. The nutrients of the recipe then can be logged into indicators in the progress section as per user's consumption. NutriBuddy is designed not just for individuals but for entire families. The family section allows multiple members to have personalized nutrition goals, dietary preferences, and health tracking under a single account. Based on these combined profiles and recent meal data, the AI generates a smart family shopping list that recommends healthier grocery items aligned with everyone's needs. This helps families plan meals better, avoid unhealthy purchases, and maintain consistent nutrition habits. Healthify Recipe uses AI to optimize existing recipes for better nutrition without compromising taste. According to the active goals of the user, the supplement optimizer helps users take supplements in a smarter and more personalized way. NutriBuddy analyzes the user's diet, nutrition gaps, health goals, and lifestyle to identify which supplements are actually needed for him. It also suggests optimal doses and timing to avoid overuse or unnecessary combinations. This reduces guesswork, prevents supplement misuse, and ensures users only consume what truly benefits for their health. We are planning to extend the Smart Grocery Cart as an in-app extension. This extension will be able to read the user's grocery cart from supported shopping platforms and link it with their active nutritional goals. Using AI, NutriBuddy will analyze the cart in real time, flag unhealthy items, and suggest better alternatives. In real life, people struggle to track what they eat because manual logging is time consuming and inaccurate. NutriBuddy solves this by using AI to analyze food images, recipes, and grocery choices to generate instant nutrition insights. By combining AMD accelerated local inference with cloud AI, it delivers fast, private, and personalized guidance for individuals and families. Thank you.